Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. Today, I will not be analyzing in detail. I'll be doing that thing tomorrow again because NFP report is about to come out today, and this will be a huge market driving factor. The chart will be changing. Therefore, I'll be doing the detailed analysis tomorrow, just like I do on usual days. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you have made good money and you have also reached the take profit target. And right now you can see that market is just standing at the resistance here, and this trend line has been acting as a strong resistance for quite some time, and this was the main reason I told you that you need to come out by here. Right now you can see that market is standing at a resistance, but still I will tell you not to short the market right now, because as we all know, US dollar has a direct relation or correlation with the GBP USD, because whenever dollar starts going up, GBP USD starts going down, and when dollar starts going down, GBP USD starts going up. And right now you can see that US dollar is going down. US dollar is under the heavy dominance of sellers. This is the DXY chart, and it is going down. Therefore there is a good possibility that market GBP USD will be breaking the resistance and go up again. Therefore, if dollar starts falling again, then definitely GBP USD will be going up. So therefore, do not go for any fresh position right now. And NFP report is also about to come out, and as we all know, anything may happen. And for the NFP report, what you need to do is that just go to my website abhilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the economic calendar here. In the economic calendar, you can see that previous data was 943k. For today, they have a forecast of 750k. So if the data meets the figure, then definitely dollar will be going up, and if the data fails to meet the forecast 750k, then dollar will be going down. So anything may happen. Okay, let the report come out after 7 hours 11 minutes. Keep your eyes on the economic calendar, you'll see what happens. And if you want to know more in detail about the NFP report, just click here. You will find the detailed information. Okay. And apart from this, if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here that we usually do, you can see that 76% retail traders, 77% have taken short position, and 22% have taken long position. So they have taken, okay, not now, which means that when market was bullish, market was going up, they shorted the market. And this is the main reason I always request you guys that trade with proper analysis, trade with proper understanding of the market. Do not follow the crowd, because 90% retail traders lose money, and this is the main reason why they lose money, because they fail to follow the trend of the market. And right now you can clearly see that this market is an uptrend. Okay, and see, right now market has reached the resistance. That's a different chapter, but still market is still bullish, and still it is not a good position to buy or sell anything, because if you short the market here, you'll be going against the trend, because dollar is still weak, and if dollar starts falling again, GBP USD will be going up. And you buy here if you buy here, then your stop loss will be here, because this is your support, and your risk to reward ratio does not match. You will be compromising with the trading discipline, which is also not a good thing. So therefore your only trading opportunity is buying at this level. So if market comes down to this particular level of 1.3780 level, and if market bounces, then you can go for buy order. But NFP report is about to come out, so be very careful. Okay, bye bye, take care. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with a detailed analysis like I do usually. Bye bye, take care.